All right, let's get down to the fine print. Welcome to Asphalt 99, where we look beyond the hype and analyze what really matters. The 2026 BMW M2 is here, and while the headlines are screaming about horsepower, we're going to dissect the engineering and strategic decisions behind this update. It's a two-pronged approach from BMW, and both prongs are fascinating. Let's start with the base M2. The bump to 473 horsepower is a welcome, if predictable, evolution of the S58 engine. It keeps the M2 comfortably ahead of its rivals. What's more interesting is the divergence in torque figures. The manual transmission variant remains at 406 pound-feet, likely a ceiling to ensure the long-term reliability and feel of the gearbox. However, the 8-speed ZF-sourced automatic gets a significant increase to 443 pound-feet. This tells us two things. First, the automatic transmission can clearly handle more stress. And second, BMW is using software tuning to create a distinct performance advantage for the Auto. This is a deliberate choice to push more customers towards the faster, albeit less engaging, option. It's a smart business move, but one that purists will undoubtedly debate for years to come. This isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about product positioning. The new color palette, featuring bold choices from the BMW individual catalog, and the reintroduction of silver wheels shows that BMW is listening to customer feedback regarding customization. They are allowing the M2 to be more expressive, moving it slightly away from being just a performance tool to also being a statement of personal style. Inside, the new flat-bottom steering wheel is a tangible improvement in ergonomics and aesthetics, while the upgrade to iDrive 8.5 streamlines the user interface, a necessary refinement over the sometimes cluttered iDrive 8. But the real conversation starter is the 2026 M2 CS. This is where BMW M's philosophy is on full display. Pushing the S58 to 523 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque is a monumental feat for a production compact car. But the most significant engineering decision here is the exclusion of a manual transmission. This is a calculated move. The official line will be about the automatic's ability to handle the torque and deliver faster lap times, which is factually correct. The M-Steptronic can shift faster than any human and ensures the engine is always in its optimal power band. From a pure performance engineering standpoint, it's the superior choice. However, the CS badge has always been about driver engagement, and for many, that is synonymous with a third pedal. By making it auto-only, BMW is defining the M2 CS not as the ultimate purist's car, but as the ultimate track weapon. It's a subtle but critical distinction. If you appreciate this level of in-depth analysis, the kind that respects your intelligence as a true automotive enthusiast, make sure you're subscribed to Asphalt 99. We're the channel that goes beyond the surface. The weight reduction on the CS is another key area. Using carbon fiber reinforced polymer for the roof, hood, and trunk is standard practice for CS models, but the integration of a functional ducktail spoiler directly into the trunk lid is a brilliant piece of aerodynamic design that pays homage to the legendary E46 M3 CSL. The standard M-carbon bucket seats are not just about saving weight, they fundamentally change the connection between the driver and the chassis, lowering the center of gravity and providing immense lateral support. The chassis tuning is where the CS will truly differentiate itself. The unique spring rates, bespoke adaptive damper calibration, and stiffer engine mounts are designed to provide more immediate feedback and eliminate any minute slack in the car's responses. This isn't about making the car uncomfortably stiff, it's about creating a direct, telepathic connection between the driver's inputs and the tarmac. It's a car designed to be driven at 10/10ths, rewarding precision and confidence. In conclusion, the 2026 M2 update is a masterclass in calculated evolution. The base car is refined and made more potent, while the CS variant is honed into a purpose-built machine for setting blistering lap times. The question of value, particularly the significant price delta for the CS, will be a hot topic. Is it worth it? From a pure numbers perspective, perhaps, but its true value lies in its focused engineering and its exclusivity. For nuanced, intelligent car analysis that respects the engineering and the driver, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Asphalt 99 and join a community that truly understands the art and science of the automobile.